In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive notifications. Let's dive in and take control of those constant updates from OneDrive that can sometimes become quite the distraction. We'll start off by opening your OneDrive app. This can be on either your desktop or your laptop, as long as the app is installed and you're logged into your account. When you open the app, you'll probably see all your files and folders displayed, but don't worry about those right now. Our goal is to adjust some settings. So, look towards the top right of your screen. You should spot a little gear icon. It represents the settings. Click on this icon. It will open a menu full of options. Don't let that overwhelm you. We have a specific need here, and it's to tweak your autosave settings. As you look through the settings menu, find the option labeled Account. Clicking on the Account option will lead you to a screen containing details about your OneDrive account, such as the amount of storage you've used and your subscription status. But don't get sidetracked. The focus is on finding the setting named Unlink this PC. You might wonder what this means. Essentially, unlinking your PC disconnects it from automatically syncing and saving new files to OneDrive. This won't delete anything you've already stored there, it just stops the automatic backup from now on. Once you click Unlink this PC, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. At this point, you need to click Unlink Account. By doing so, you officially turn off the autosave feature. But rest assured, this action won't have any impact on files already saved in OneDrive. However, from this moment forward, any new files you create or changes you make won't be auto-saved to OneDrive unless you upload them manually. And that's it. You've successfully disabled OneDrive's auto-save feature. Now, a quick note for those who might second-guess this decision: maybe you'll miss the convenience of automatic backups. If that's the case, you can always re-enable the autosave feature by linking your PC to OneDrive again through the app settings. As we wrap up, let's address a possible concern about file safety now that autosave is switched off. Remember, turning off autosave doesn't compromise your file safety. Rather, it gives you manual control over what gets stored in the cloud. It's always wise to back up important files in more than one place, such as an external hard drive or another cloud service. Disabling autosave is not for everyone, but it can be incredibly useful for those who prefer manual control or are looking to save cloud storage space. Always keep your OneDrive account secure and carefully consider any changes to automatic backup settings. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on how to disable OneDrive's autosave. Whether your reason is privacy, storage management, or personal convenience, taking control of how your files are saved is an important step.